Most renovation horror stories did not start on day one of construction. They started in the first meeting, and the homeowner just did not catch it. In this video, we're going through 5 red flags that come up before a single wall comes down. These are things you can spot in the first phone call, the site visit, or when you read the quote. You do not need to be an expert. You just need to know what to look for. We will cover each one, explain what it actually signals, and tell you what a good answer looks like. Red flag number 1. You ask for a price and get a range so wide it is basically meaningless. Something like, this kind of job usually runs $80,000 to $150,000. A contractor who has done this work before can walk your space and give you a real number with real reasons behind it. If every answer stays vague, it is often because they have not thought through your project yet, or they are leaving room to move the number later. Red flag number 2. There is no written contract, or it is one page with no real detail. A serious renovation contract spells out the scope of work, the materials, the payment schedule, the timeline, and what happens if something changes mid-project. If a contractor is reluctant to put any of that in writing, that reluctance is the answer. Red flag number 3. You are pushed to sign quickly and asked for a large deposit up front, sometimes half the project cost or more, before any real work has started. A reasonable deposit covers ordering materials and securing your spot on the schedule. A demand for most of the money before anything happens is often a sign the contractor is using your deposit to fund a job they are already behind on. Red flag number 4. You ask to see past projects or speak with a past client, and there is nothing. No photos, no addresses, no one you can call. Every legitimate contractor has a history. If a company cannot point to real work they have completed, that is not a privacy issue. That is a track record problem. Red flag number 5. Every other contractor, designer, or trade they mention is, according to them, terrible. No one else in the industry knows what they are doing except them. The contractors worth working with can speak honestly about other professionals, including giving credit where it is due. Someone who tears everyone else down to look good is usually compensating for something. None of these 5 things on their own automatically means walk away. But if you notice 2 or 3 of them in your first conversation, that is information worth taking seriously. At Norseman, we are a design-build company based in Toronto. The same team handles your design and your construction. One contract, one point of accountability from start to finish. If you are planning a renovation and want a second opinion on a quote, get in touch.